We're gonna go into our effects window. Press the effect button twice. We have our rainbow RGB. This is where you will also edit those features. So under the 917, the rainbow chase, the scale is 100, which means it's gonna move everything by 100 points over 5 seconds. And we're just gonna go back to live. We're gonna find our channel 21, and let's make it the rainbow chase. So you're gonna say channel 21, effect 917, enter, and that'll make it happen. Except because I had it at that amber before, we don't have all of our parameters for it to affect. So we need to go through and make our red, green, and blue maxed out and our white minned so that they have the full range.